Affilliates Media Production. Welcome everyone. Today we finally got our hands on the new driver from Nvidia supporting DirectX 12 Ultimate, and you wanna know how to use it and get the best performance. What I am going to show you here is the first steps, how to get these updates and enable them, then show you a little gameplay. First thing you need is to update your Windows 10, make sure you're getting version 2004 or DX12 Ultimate will not work. Once you have done that, you need to open GeForce Experience. If you don't have it, you'll need to download it and install this program. Once you are in the program, you will see Drivers tab, go there and find the latest driver supporting DX12 Ultimate. You can use this on GTX cards if you are wondering. This next step is important and why you are here. You need to go into graphics settings and enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is the main feature of WDDM 2.7 and it allows the integrated/dedicated graphics card to manage its own video RAM directly, which in turn give you better performance, reduced latency, increased average or minimum frame rates, and improved video playback. Once you have done all that, you should be ready to roll for the newest DX12 Ultimate features and everything they have to offer you. Here's to a better PC experience. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next guide.